The second scenario to mention here is around hierarchy. So we talked a little bit about this before, but let's look at the scenario. So say you're a user researcher at a food review company, which has recently expanded into pizzerias. So you have some pizza research that requires tags. So how do you design this pizza tag? So option A is the hierarchy option, right? It's trying to find the right place for the pizza tag, whether it should go under Italian or American, which is actually a pretty big decision and kind of hard to answer. It's not clear. And then option B lays out every tag individually with no hierarchy. So option A, so first of all, you have kind of a big decision about like whether to put pizza under Italian or American. It depends on what your user mental models are. Not everyone might always think about it in the same way. This is pretty complicated. And all your users would have to know which one to pick in order to find your pizza content, right? They would have to know if you put it under Italian that to go under Italian first to find your pizza content. Versus option B, where you have all your pizza content tagged with a pizza label, and it's available immediately for anyone to find directly without having to think about whether it's under Italian or American or both or whatever. So I would recommend option B. Option A is also more difficult from a tooling perspective. So all tools will allow you to do option B, no problem, but not all tools will let you do hierarchies as in option A. So it's safer to design for option B. The truth is most systems don't really need hierarchy until you get to a significant amount of tags, like thousands. And